Now we are ready to fire bullets from the shooter and the rendering on the screen when spacebar is pressed. So let's add a bullet in the weapons array list in the shooter. Shooter we have created a weapons array list that is rendered and animated. So when spacebar is pressed, shooter get weapons, add new bullet, and the location XY is shooter's X position, shooter's Y position is launching location for the bullet. So let's import model, the bullet from the model package, and for cascading in the future, let's give a break. And then let's test it, main, run, start. Launches, but it does not animate. Recall that animation should be a part of the game loop, so we need to update its location and then render, processing collision and the like. So at this moment, though, we didn't do any animation yet. The bullet is the first thing to do. So for every game figure, game elements in canvas, game board, get canvas, get game elements, e dot animate. So we need to animate everything there. So let's test for that. Start. Now I can shoot as many bullets as I want, but now I want to limit the number of active bullets on the scene. So in the shooter, let's define public static public final int max bullets, 3 active ones. Then what you need to do is let's define function or method, public boolean can shoot bullet, can fire bullet. It's there. So return weapons size less than or equal to max bullets. Then true or false. So maximum 3. It should be less than 3. It's when it becomes a 3. So you cannot fire anymore. Can fire more bullets. That's a better name for that. So up to 2, you can fire more. Otherwise, it's a false. So when you do key controller timer, before you shoot, check that if shooter can fire more bullets. If it's true, there. Otherwise, don't do that. And then you can shoot only 3 at this moment because we don't remove anything. So 1, 2, 3. That's maximum and no more because it's just flown over the top. So we need to eliminate those one leaves the scene. So let's define from the shooter class here public void remove bullets out of bound. So let's first define a temporary. Let's have local variable in inference. Remove a new array list game element there. Then for weapons, which is a bullet, if weapons Y location is negative, it left the scene, then remove, add this guy. Then when the loop is over, from the weapons, remove all, remove array. So all the elements in the array will be removed. So when you do the collision processing, so one of the steps should be, if those ones get collided, may need to be removed. In addition, from the shooter, you need to remove, shooter is from game board, get shooter, call, remove bullets out of bound. So we are going to do several steps of processing, collision processing. One of the steps is the remove bullets that left the game scene. So now let's see how that works. Start 1, 2, 3. Once any of those leaves the scene, you can now continue to shoot, but only maximum 3 bullets you can do that.